Creating shared folder on Windows Server. Now that we configured the Active Directory users and computers, we can now create a shared folder. Here in this folder you can see the logins of our users after we perform the folder redirection procedure in the next video. To do that, right-click anywhere on the screen of your desktop. Then place the cursor of your mouse at the new option. And select the folder. Rename your folder. In this video we rename it with shared folder. Now right-click the folder you created. Then choose Properties. On Shared Folder Properties, click the Sharing tab. Click at the Share button. Now click on the drop-down box on the right side and choose Everyone. And click the Add button. Change the permission level of everyone to read/write. Then click the Shared button. Click Done. Now let's go the advanced sharing. Check the Share this folder box. Then the permission button below. Check the Allow full control box. Then hit the Apply button and click OK. Click Apply and OK buttons. Copy the network path of the shared folder. We will paste it on the folder redirection option on our next video. Then close it. On our next video we will show you the procedures in folder redirection using the group policy management.